Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this head wrap. It's really basic, really simple, probably the only head wrap style I know, but I always say if I can do it, then trust me, you definitely can do it. I'm liking this look. So stay tuned.
Honestly, I've tried to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Better swing my way. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lame niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, babe? Won't you be the one? We could start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug, yeah. Girls can never say they want it. Girls can never say how. Girls can never say they need it. Girls can never say now. Girls can never say they want it. Girls can never say how. Girls can never say they need it. Girls can never say now. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me scream, heavy breathing, I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't fight, I'ma give it to you right, babe. Oh, I wanna be your healing, I can be real good, yeah. Please don't get in your feelings, no. I need some love, I need some love.
So that was pretty much how I do this head wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you're a fan of doing head wraps. Are you good at it or not? I've recently started it. This is my go-to style. When I upgrade, I will let you guys know. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week. Mwah. Oh, putain. Ik kan echt niet.
Girls need love too.